Hello everyone, it's me again. I'm going back to English because I'm pretty tired and I can't honestly can't do this. Can't think straight anymore. Let's just fucking dive into this, right? So, my name is Nelson Robles. This is Sistema Operativo 3. I'm gonna do a module 3, lab 1. Um, we're gonna configure the grub so it has a timeout of 20 seconds. So, what we first need to know is where the grub file is, and this grub file uh, is on etc default grub. Then we're gonna edit it with vim. We need to sudo it because we need to have access. And then this is the line, the one that is blinking. That is, I'm sorry, that's where we need to set the, change the camera by the way. Hello. This is where we need to change the timeout, right? And we're gonna click I so we can insert it. We're gonna do a 2 so we change to 20, which was the requirement. We click escape so we go out. We do a semicolon, right click, enter, and we're out of that. So now when we reboot it, we should be able to see um, grub back when we do the whole thing. So the style is hidden, and this is what we need to change. But how do we change that? Because we need to be able to see the whole screen when it's timing out. I just don't want it to stop. So I'm just gonna do info on file grub, and now this is gonna show me every single option that I have in here. Now in Spanish booting configuration. So now we're gonna go to configuration and we are gonna see how do we configure the timeout. Right? In the first environment combined in terms of satisfaction, security, platform limitation. Here we go. And now we go to a simple configuration, and then it shows me everything. It shows me where the thing is. It shows me all the thing you need to know. It shows me the timeout, and then this is what we're looking for, which is the timeout style. So then the grub will display the menu and wait for the timeout set. So we're gonna change that to menu, and or we're gonna change it to countdown. All right. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna change it to countdown. So we click Q so we go out, and then we're out of that. Control so we delete it, and we go back into it, and we select the timeout style. So click I to insert, delete that, and write menu into this one. We'll click escape to go out, semicolon, right quit. We're out of this. So now we need to restart this computer. So we're gonna do a shutdown tag R, so we can restart it to 0, so it is now. And this is what it's doing. And now when it comes back up, it should show me the grub system. Um, Once it gets to the, it should have gone to the grub system. I thought I needed to. It didn't show me the grub system. Like what is going on? So if it shows that this is like the first time I'm doing this, probably because this is the first time that I'm doing this. So we're gonna just go back into this. Oh, right? Because it is on my face. It needs to update. When we went into it, it should. You need to do update grab. So we're just gonna go into it, and now we are into back into the computer. After oh, it's what's wrong? Now we're back into the computer, and we're gonna check on the grab file again. We're gonna do this vim. We checked it. There we go. We have the timer. We have the menu, but it was not updated. So we go out right quick. Then we're gonna do sudo update grub. Now it is doing all the updates, and this is done. It's updated. So now if we do sudo shutdown shutdown. Now here is my grub settings, and now we're gonna click E to edit it, and we're gonna go down so we can we're gonna transition straight to the next part. Like we already know how to do this. So the next part is how do I recover the root password, and we're gonna do it the hard way. We're gonna go through the grub thing. And what we're gonna do is, like, after we set the timeout, we're gonna come into group then, and we're gonna go down to where it says Linux, and then it shows the boot then. All right, so here it is, Linux, and it shows all the information, and over to the right, it says read only. And now this read only, so we're gonna edit, and we're gonna change it to read right, and then we're gonna change the this whole thing. After we made it right, we also need to specify what do I want to do, right? We need to change this whole section to read right, and then on initiation you're gonna go to binaries bash. There you go. So now after this has been completed, we're gonna do Control X, and this is gonna restart. And after it restarts, and it's gonna load drivers, gonna load everything. It gets me to a shell on the root. And now that I'm on root, I can do pwd pass wd, and that's gonna allow me to change the password. We're gonna set that to admin. There you go. Password updated successfully. So now we're gonna do shutdown again. Shutdown, restart 0, and failed to connect the bot. So we're gonna do just exit. Can I exit this? I did exit it and it froze. Just restart all the way around. We're gonna restart right here. And now that I'm in here, I'm gonna click on edit. I'm gonna go down again. I see that it's back to read only. So I can click Control X, and this is gonna go the way that it usually goes. I just wanted to make sure, and that it was not gonna load me back into the same thing that I was in again. Now after this loads, we should be able to check that if I look on root and I do admin, then it allows me to go in as root because I just changed the password. To be fair, I did not know what the password was before. When you install Ubuntu server, it does not let you configure the root password. It just sends you to the user admin password then. There you go. So this is it, and thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.